So, if you know what the internet is, you know that if you can rank number 1 on Google, that you can sell anything. And you know this because anytime you buy anything, what is the first thing that you go do? You Google that new thing that you want to buy with the word reviews after it. So, if you want to make money online in 2022, the best thing that you can learn first is how to rank number 1 on Google. I learned how to do this by purchasing a training program and doing exactly what it said. Watch this, I will show you the proof. I am one of several hundreds of people who has created a review on this training program. Hundreds of people. And that's me at the top, number 1, Get Free with Annie, there I am. If you want to know how to make money in 2022 online, you want to know how to do this, click the link in my bio.